Welcome to my comprehensive review of Creatio bpm Online, a powerful CRM and business process management platform designed to streamline and automate your workflows. In this video, I'll guide you through the website, highlighting its key features, benefits, and what makes it stand out in the competitive world of CRM software. When you first visit Creatio bpm Online, the homepage immediately draws attention with its clean and professional layout. You'll notice the main value propositions prominently displayed, focusing on low-code customization and end-to-end business automation. Navigating through the site is intuitive, with well-organized menus that cater to different business needs. One of the standout features of Creatio bpm Online is its low-code approach, allowing users to tailor the CRM to their specific workflows without needing extensive coding knowledge. This makes it highly accessible for businesses that lack large development teams, but still require robust customization. The platform also shines in its integration capabilities. Whether you need to connect with third-party tools, like email marketing platforms, ERP systems, or customer support software, Creatio bpm Online provides seamless options to unify your business processes. The marketplace offers additional modules and extensions, giving you even more flexibility. The product demos section is incredibly helpful for first-time users. It provides a hands-on preview of the platform's functionalities, enabling you to explore its features before making a commitment. The pricing page is transparent, with plans that cater to different business sizes and requirements. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Make sure to explore those after watching this review for additional insights and tools to enhance your business operations. Another feature worth mentioning is the scalability of Creatio bpm Online. Whether you're running a small startup or managing a large enterprise, the platform adapts to your growth. Its reporting and analytics tools provide actionable insights, empowering businesses to make data-driven decisions. Customer support is another area where Creatio bpm Online excels. With a variety of resources, including live chat, tutorials, and a knowledge base, you'll find help readily available whenever you need it. In conclusion, Creatio bpm Online is an excellent choice for businesses seeking an intuitive, scalable, and customizable CRM solution. Its low-code design, extensive integrations, and focus on automation make it a top contender in the CRM market. If you found this review helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like. Your support helps me create more in-depth reviews and guides for platforms like this one. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. Thank you for watching.